Namaskar and welcome to my channel Mind Your Mind. This is Vinita. In the previous video, I talked about the health benefits of Bharatanatyam. I also talked about the importance of mudras. In today's video, I am going to elaborate on the parts of mudras. How mudras can have multiple health benefits. There is a very famous quote by a famous personality which goes like, with his or her hands, the Indian classical dancer depicts the life of the universe. It has been considered that the Devdasis used to do these mudras in temples when they used to perform in front of the deities. In Bharatanatyam, we do these mudras to depict various things. Like we do these mudras to depict various features of the deities. We also do these mudras to depict the creatures. We also do these mudras to depict the various elements, emotions in the surrounding. It is fascinating to know that these mudras that we do in Bharatanatyam or any other Indian classical dance forms are similar to the mudras which are done in yoga or Hasta Yoga. Yoga is done for health benefits and these mudras are similar to the mudras which are done in Bharatanatyam. It has been considered in yoga that these 5 fingers of our hands depict the 5 elements on the earth or the Pancha Mahabhutas. There are various points in our hands which are directly connected to our mind and body. After pressing these points, various circuits get formed in our body and they can have multiple health benefits. It is also considered that the thumb is the symbolic representation of the universe and the index finger is the symbolic representation of the individual consciousness. And when these two come together, they form a circuit in which the energy flows. The flow of this energy have multiple health benefits. They improve the blood circulation. It also keeps our heart healthy. Doing these mudras for a prolonged period of time have multiple health benefits. In the next video, I am going to talk about the particular mudras and which mudra have what benefit on our heart and our health. So stay tuned. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep dancing, keep moving, keep feeling.